To protect the recovery device from the heat of the ejection charge for successful landing, you're going to need a fire-resistant wadding. So let's go ahead and make one. You're going to need a beaker, baking powder, some quantity of water, a tissue paper, and of course a tray. Begin by pouring a reasonable quantity of water in the tray. Then add your baking powder with the help of a tablespoon and allow it to gently dissolve in the water. Then carefully lay your tissue paper on the surface of the mix and allow it to sink with the gravity. Now you could as well use this other method, but the results would be different because the longer the tissue stays in the water, the more effective the results would be. Because of the quantity of water I used, I was able to let it evaporate in the sun so the best possible results can be obtained. I understand majority of the folks are using baking soda, but I found baking powder to perform well too. As you're watching, this tissue is catching fire, but the one from the far right won't. What's happening here is this: when you hit the tissue treated with the baking powder solution, it gives out carbon dioxide which discourages combustion, giving you a fire blanket between the parachute and the ejection flame. Now I'd like to remind you that the evaporation process takes about 24 hours for the tissue paper to get completely dry, so you could easily exfoliate them apart. So till next time, stay safe.